of Americans have been affected by the utter failure of FEMA and their National Flood Insurance Program, or the NFIP. The U.S. Senate Committee on Banking, Housing, and Urban Affairs recently convened to discuss the future of NFIP, and what emerged was a mix of bipartisan support and concerns over affordability. So let's break it down. Committee Chairman Sherrod Brown emphasized the NFIP encompasses more than just insurance. It's about floodplain management, mapping, and mitigation practices. He stressed the need for improvement and collaboration. Quote, NFIP is a complex program with multiple goals and implications for many of the things people care about most: their homes and their communities. However, I believe it's possible for us to come together to reauthorize and improve this program. Ranking member Tim Scott echoed the sentiment for reform, emphasizing the importance of prioritizing local perspectives over bureaucratic ones. I mean, what a concept there. He highlighted the NFIP's financial insolvency and outdated flood maps as urgent issues demanding attention. Quote, the status quo is not an option. The program is financially insolvent with over $20 billion in debt. Instead of educating communities and homeowners on the risks they face, the program's outdated flood maps and lack of transparent data often obscures the risks. But affordability emerged as a central concern. Senators John Kennedy and Robert Menendez voiced worries about skyrocketing premiums, particularly in vulnerable communities. Take Paterson, New Jersey, for instance. Premiums could triple, putting significant strain on households. Senator Mendez said, quote, FEMA itself has estimated that it will lose 1 million policyholders by the end of the decade due to premium increases. Back in Paterson, New Jersey, where the median household income is $50,000 a year, policyholders would see their premiums increase from an average of $1,500 a year to an average of $4,000 a year. Now, despite bipartisan acknowledgement of the need to reform, the NFIP's track record of getting legislative approval remains shaky. With the current extension set to expire soon, the pressure is on to find a solution that balances affordability with the program's unsustainability. As discussions continue, one thing is clear: the reauthorization of NFIP is not just about insurance. It's about safeguarding communities, ensuring affordability, and mitigating the risks of flooding. Stay tuned, we'll keep you posted, and I hope this helps. 4 out of 5 borrowers don't return to the same loan officer for their next mortgage transaction. That's a problem. What's the solution? Well, how about this? You generate an extra 25 bips on your client's total debt load, you keep a client for life, and safeguard your business from other loan officers. Let me tell you about a program that is unique and unlike any other. It's not debt negotiation, debt settlement, or credit counseling that can actually damage credit ratings. In fact, there's not even a need to run a credit report. Mortgage Vigilante is based simply on cash flow, not LTV and not credit score. For borrowers with busy lifestyles, multiple debts, and a desire to live debt-free, Mortgage Vigilante assists their clients, your clients, with their long-term financial goals after closing or being turned down. You get paid for it, and they keep you in front of your clients. It's a win-win, my friends. It's super simple but extremely effective. First, Mortgage Vigilante provides a free financial analysis using proprietary software that identifies the fastest mathematical path to create margin, anything beyond the minimum payment. Then they apply that margin to the debt that will generate the most margin the following month and repeat the process until your client is debt-free. It's not magic, it's math, but the average client is on track to be completely debt-free in just under 10 years, which seems pretty magical. Not only do you need all the tools you can get in this market, but you have a responsibility to let your clients know that this program is out there to help them accomplish their financial goals. Get in touch with Mortgage Vigilante today and keep your clients for life.